Good morning, everyone. Surprise, surprise. We are back to the scene of the crime, 3132. So, all of last week, we were talking about the importance of this 3115 level. And now that we have gapped up over that on Sunday night, and most importantly, upon that gap up, we held, and the price range began to get tighter and tighter and tighter, which means that there is price agreement within this range. And so when price eventually does break out of this tight range, we will have price discovery that usually is very strong and definitive to one side. And so on Monday morning, we broke out of the range. You can see quite easily here. We broke out of the range on Monday morning, and what we essentially had is known as a trend day. So we finished on the highs of the day. And usually, typically, statistically speaking, once you finish on the highs of the day, the next session usually gaps up. And thus far, we had a gap. And when we opened at 6 p.m., we made a new high, all-time high at 31.45. And now we've gently sold off to open just about flat as to where we were last evening. What can we expect from here? Given this very bullish price action, I believe we can expect more upside, and so the game plan would be to buy any dip coming down into this to the 127 level intraday, targeting at the very least 31.45. However, I always advise clients as well as well-wishers, when volatility is cheap and portfolio insurance is cheap, is the time to get it. So definitely consider begin buying some portfolio insurance and protection up here at these levels.